Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I explain TerraCom wireless review to save it what you're using. So let's quickly dive into it. TerraCom wireless is a mobile operator that provides affordable prepaid plans, mainly through government-supported programs like Lifeline and the Affordable Connectivity Program (ACP). It runs on AT&T nationwide 4G Lite network, giving access to solid coverage in most urban areas. The service is designed to help low-income households stay connected at little to no cost, with quick activation and no credit check required. However, TerraCom has its downside. Many users report issues with billing, number porting, and unreliable customer support, with long wait time and unresolved complaints being common. Data speed can also feel limited, especially on Lifeline plan, and rural coverage may not be as consistent in bigger cities. So in my conclusion, TerraCom wireless is worth using if you value quality for Lifeline and ACP, and you also need a low-cost way to stay connected, especially for basic calls and text. But if you expect a strong customer support, fast data, and reliable service everywhere, it may leave you disappointed. And that's it. Hope you find the video helpful. Turn on the notification button and subscribe for more reviews.